Hey friends, it's Sam from the Earthy Spoon. Decided to make some choc chip muffins today. I'm going away for a few days with my little family, so I thought that'd be a good snack to have. Let's do it. So these are our muffins. Okay guys, our muffins are out. They smell amazing. They look so cute. So the way you can test if these are ready is you put a little stick in, or like a toothpick or a cake stick or even a knife, and if it comes out there's still butter on it, keep them in, but if not, they're perfect and they're ready to go. So I'm gonna let these cool down on my cool rack now, and yeah, enjoy some choc chip muffins.